Hello everyone, my name is Furkan Cermez and it is the video presentation of our project Social Now. And I'm doing this presentation on behalf of group number 4. And who are we? We are Berfu, Furkan, Mertcan, Oğuz, Mert, Müge, Burhan, Erdem, Amy, and Berkecan. As you can see, it is a group photo that we took like just before the day of the final presentation. And the main purpose of the project is connecting CMPA people according to their hobbies and common interests. The main requirements were creating user profiles, following or unfollowing other users, creating events, creating common interest groups, sharing events, posting within the groups and event pages, commenting on posts, recommending users, events, and or groups, providing semantic search, tagging events or groups. Actually, differentiating points of our project were specific target group, creating events, creating instant events, which is actually not even stated in requirements, creating common interest groups, notification, timeline, and finally, privacy settings. Which technologies have we used? Actually, GitHub for version control, and for Android part, we use Android Studio, Java 8. Web part, we use WebStorm, HTML, Bootstrap, Angular JS, JavaScript. For backend, we use Java 8, Hibernate, Spring, Maven, Tomcat 7065. And for communication, we use, of course, WhatsApp and GitHub's issuing system. So it is the demo of our project that I'm going to do now. Well, we have a persona. Her name is Tuğçe Karayel. Well, he's going to be a new member of the system of the platform, and she clicks on register a new member button, and she starts typing her own information. Bone.edu.tr and Tuğçe and Karayel 1 2 3 4 5 6 for the password, and for the photo URL she uses this photo, and she's an undergraduate person. Well, she successfully signed up and she reaches the home page of her profile. Well, what the fuck? Yeah. And when she is the new member of the social now platform, and she checks all the tabs in the application that she notices, and because that she's here, that actually her friend Erdem Toraman actually invited her, so she decides to search for Erdem Toraman to follow. Well, when she searches, she finds out that Erdem Toraman's profile, and she follows him, and she checks the events and groups he participated in the homepage, in the profile page of Erdem. Then when she is checking the followers, she notices that she also knows Mert Çuçen, and also Akın Toksan she knows, and Suzan Üsküdarlı she may know in the future because she's going to take the courses 352 and 451, the two credits courses. So she may know, yes, Mert Imre as well, and also Berfu Büyüköz she already knows. Well, what are the other properties of this application? She checks group page and looks at the groups, and she notices a group of Star Wars fans. Well, she is actually interested in Star Wars, and she checks the comment of Barfu, and she types a comment to Barfu's posts. Well, yay. And also she decides to join the group and checks for the events. Well, there are some different kind of events she may interested, but she doesn't have attended any event yet, so nothing to show under my event tab. And she decides to create a new event, a New Hope 2. Well, as description, she writes, "Hey, I thought we can watch a movie each week and talk about those later." For location, she suggests to watch the movies Beşiktaş Kafika Cafe, and for the event photo she uses the URL she already found it previously, and the time she is going to pick is 5 p.m. on 26th January for the start date, and 10 p.m. for the 26th January again on the same day. Well, for the tags, she uses Star Wars, which is a movie, and sci-fi. Well, the roles part, which actually defines who is going to see the event, she selects teaching assistants, undergraduate, and the faculty. Well, she creates the event, a New Hope 2. While she checks the event, there is only one participant, Tuğçe Real. But she notices that there are two different buttons here, share with groups, share with users. She decides to share it with a group. Well, there are some recommendations here, but she's going to, of course, share the group with Star Wars fans. And for the user, with Erdem Toraman. Well, when she is on the timeline, she notices that there is a when she is on the home page, she noticed that there is a timeline here, which actually always showing that the person that she is already following. At the same time, for the groups, it has the same thing. Well, when she was looking at the home page and the timeline, she notices that there is a yellow one on the next of her name. So when he clicks that, she sees an instant event here, a beer invitation. Well, it is coming from Mert Imre, and it is going to happen in 10 minutes. Well, she may go there. I don't know. We'll see. Well, and on the home page, there is all, as I mentioned before, there is the timeline thing that she may be interested actually, and Well, Mert Imre is going to Uludağ for ski and also Berfu doing the same thing. And Mert Imre is doing traveler's experience and everything. So she continues to check the followers and followings, her own profile and groups and her events and everything. Well, another thing that she may be interested is, of course, Java, because she's going to take the course CMPO 160 in the second semester. So she may be looking for a group or an event or whatever it is for the next semester to make her actually easily to pass the course and understand the basics of the Java. Well, when she searched for Java, she sees that there is no users to show. There is one group, which is JavaScript Ninjas, and there are three different events: coffee tasting, tea party, and portable CMPE. Well, the point is, Java is something that she knows is it has been a programming language, but more than that, Java is also something, some kind of coffee in Indonesia. So that's why the platform actually suggests her to check the coffee tasting and tea party as well when she just writes down the word Java. So because she cannot find the group that she looked for, she decided to create a new group named as CMP 160. Let's rock this course as a description. And for the group photo, she uses again a previously decided URL. And well, for the text part, she uses CMP course. That is enough, I think. And of course, for the roles, she's going to select only undergraduate because most probably she's not going to want this group has been seen for the teaching assistants, of course. Well, she creates CMP 160. Let's rock this course. Actually, she remembers that she already decided to go to the beer invitation, so time is almost up. She needs to get prepared. Thanks for watching our demo and the presentations.